Did you know that everyone blames the wrong car for ending Group B Rally's legendary era? While Audi's Quattro gets all the heat, it was actually the Opel Manta 400 that caused the tragedy that killed the sport. In 1986 Portugal, Walter Röhrl pushed his primitive rear-wheel drive Manta to an insane 140 miles per hour on narrow mountain roads. The car was completely outmatched by the all-wheel drive Audis, but Opel was desperate to compete. Röhrl knew the Manta couldn't handle those speeds, but he had no choice if he wanted to keep up. The rear-wheel drive setup made the car a death trap at race pace. When Röhrl finally lost control, the crash killed 3 spectators and a driver. That single moment ended Group B forever. The irony is perfect. Everyone points fingers at Audi's advanced technology, but it was actually Opel's stubborn refusal to modernize that caused motorsport's darkest day. Sometimes being behind the times is the most dangerous place to be.